Hey guys, Jason here with Opticoat and Optimum Polymer Technologies. I want to talk to you about a problem we all have, and that's scratching and marring because these modern clear coats are soft. So, what's the solution? Well, it's a nice, good quality towel. One of the things you want to look for in a towel is a 1300 GSM such as this, which means grams per square meter, ultimately how thick it is. On this Pro Plush towel, it's 24 by 36, so it's huge, and it can dry multiple cars. This is great for doing the initial drying when you've got a very wet car. When you've got some spot cleaning or smaller areas, I offer the Hyperweave drying towel. It's a 400 GSM towel. Hyperweave, great for smaller areas or just general cleaning. When we look at towels, we want to look at a couple things. The GSM is important, ultimately how plush it is. We also want to have a lint-free towel, and it should have a nice edge. This helps keep the towel from breaking down, as well as keeping it scratch-free. Also, one of the things we need to look for too is cross-contamination. We get multiple products on multiple towels, but I have the solution. In the Ultimate Detailing Drying Pack here, it comes in 3 different colors. That way you've got a glass, an interior, and an exterior. By doing that and using these types of products, that'll help save you time, it'll be more efficient. So clean smarter and shine brighter.